Claudine, and today we are going to talk about how light, sound, and heat travels. But before we proceed with our lesson, let us first have a short review. Can you name what is in the picture? Very good, it is a lamp. We use lamp to see things at night or to keep our room dim, and the lamp produces light. How about in the next picture? Very good. We use headset whenever we are listening to music or when we are talking to someone in our device. The headset produces sound. Name what is in the last picture. Very good. Our parents or elders uses gas stoves to cook our milk or snacks, and the gas stoves produces heat. Do you understand, class? How light, sound, and heat travel. Light, sound, and heat are forms of energy that move from one place to another in different ways. Light travels in straight lines and helps us see things. It can come from the sun, lamps, candles, or flashlights. Light can also bounce off shiny objects like mirrors. Sound travels through vibrations. When objects move back and forth, they create sound waves that travels through air, water, or solid objects. This is how we hear voices, music, and other sounds. Heat travels from warmer objects to cooler objects. Heat can move through touching objects, moving air or liquids, or directly from the sun. These three forms of energy are important in our everyday lives because they help us see, hear, and stay warm because light, sound, and heat are everywhere around us every day. Now, do you want to hear a story about how light, sound, and heat travels? Alright, but before that, let me introduce to you our two fantasy guides to introduce our story.
Hi, I am Teacher MJ, and today I am your fantasy guide number 1. Our story for today is The Magical Journey of Light, Sound, and Heat. One bright morning in the magical kingdom of Glowland, three best friends began an exciting adventure. There was Lumi, the light fairy who could make sparkling beams shine across the sky. Boom Boom, the sound wizard, whose magical drum could send music dancing through the air. And Sunny, the heat dragon, who spread warmth with every flap of his golden wings. One day, the kingdom suddenly became dark, quiet, and freezing cold because the great crystal of energy lost its magic. The three friends knew they had to work together to save the Glowland before nighttime arrived forever. Lumi flew high above the trees and waved her glowing wand. Bright rays of light traveled in straight lines through the dark forest, helping everyone see the path clearly. That is how light travels, she happily explained. Then, Boom Boom struck his giant drum. Boom, boom, the sounds traveled through the air like invisible waves, bouncing across the mountains and making magical echoes. Wait a minute, learners. Let us now welcome our second fantasy guide.
Hello, dear learners! I am Teacher Patricia and I am your fantasy guide number 2. Now, let me continue our story. Are you ready? Very good. Now, sound travels through vibration, he shouted proudly. Soon, Sunny, the heat dragon, breathed warm air into the freezing valley. The warmth spread from place to place, melting the icy ground and warming the villagers. Heat travels from warm things to cooler things, Sunny explained with the green. When the three friends finally reached the great crystal, they each used their special powers together. Lumi filled the crystal with shining light. Boom Boom surrounded it with joyful. The crystal sparkled with rainbow colors and lit it up the whole kingdom once again. The people of Glowland cheered loudly as music filled the air and warmth returned to very home. From that day on, the children of the kingdom always remember the magical lessons light help us see, sound help us hear, and heat keep us warm as they travel all around the world in amazing ways.
The story of Lumi, Boom Boom, and Sunny highlights the beauty of teamwork and the importance of energy in our lives. Each character symbolizes a vital force, light, sound, and heat that we often take for granted. Lumi's glowing beams remind us the light is essential for vision and guidance. Boom Boom's drum shows how sound connects people through communication. And music, Sunny's warmth, demonstrates how that sustains comfort and life itself. Their adventure in Glowland teaches us that energy is not only scientific but also magical in the way it shapes our world. Without light, darkness would surround us. Without sound, silence would isolate us. Without heat, coldness would make survival difficult. The three friends' cooperation reflects how different forces must unite to restore balance. Their journey to save the Great Crystal symbolizes the harmony that comes when knowledge and action are combined. It inspires us to appreciate the everyday wonders of energy. The way Lumi explained how light travels in straight lines, it is a simple yet powerful lesson. It shows us that science can be understood through observation and imagination. Boom Boom's demonstration of sound vibrations remind us that energy moves in invisible ways. Yet, its effects are felt everywhere. Sunny's warmth spreading through the valley illustrates how heat naturally flows from warm to cool areas. This lesson makes science engaging and easy to remember. The restoration of the Great Crystal represents the triumph of unity and knowledge. When light, sound, and heat combine, they brought joy and life back to Glowland. This moment teaches us that solutions often come when different strengths are used together. The cheering villagers symbolizes how communities thrive when energy is respected and shared. It is a reminder that science is not just about facts but about creating harmony in life. Finally, the magical journey leaves us with a lasting reflection on gratitude. We should value the energy that surrounds us and use it wisely. Light helps us see the beauty of the world. Sound allows us to connect with others. and heat keeps us alive and comfortable. The story encourages us to look at science not as something distant, but as a gift woven into our daily lives. Overall, it shows that energy is both practical and magical, making our world brighter, louder, and warmer.
Hi class, I am Teacher Diana and I am here to test your knowledge. Did you understand our lesson better with the help of the story? The magical journey of light, sounds, and heat? If so, let us test your knowledge doing by an individual activity. Are you ready class? Alright, here the instruction of activity 1. Read each situation carefully. Write whether if it is about light, sounds, or heat. Let's read the statement first before answering. Let us have the number 1. You hear your teacher ringing a bell. The answer is sounds. For the number 2, you use a flashlight in a dark room. The answer is light. And for the number 3, a spoon becomes hot inside hot soap. And the answer is heat. And for the number 4, you hear thunder after lighting. And the answer is sounds. And for the number 5, sunlight enters through the window. And the answer is light. And for the number 6, your hands feel warm near a campfire. And the answer is heat. And for the number 7, you hear music from a speaker. And the answer is sounds. And for the number 8, a mirror reflects your face. And the answer is light. And for the number 9, steam rises from boiling water. And the answer is heat. And for the last number, you feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. And the answer is heat. Are we good, class? Alright. And to test your knowledge again, let's have another individual activity. The activity 2 direction. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the box. And here the answer from the box. And here the sentences. Blank helps us see object around us. And the answer is light. And for the number 2, light travels in blank. And the answer is lines. And the number 3, blank travels through vibration in the air? And the answer is sound. And for the number 4, heat travels from warm object to blank object.
And the answer is sound. And for the number 4, heat travels from warm objects to blank objects.
The answer is cooler. And for the number 5, sound is made by and the answer is vibration. And for the number 6, the sun gives us both light and blank. And the answer is heat. And for the number 7, we hear music because blank travels to our ears. And the answer is sound. And for the number 8, a flashlight is a source of blank. And the answer is light. And for the number 9, hot soup can transfer blank to a spoon. And the answer is heat. And the number 10, echoes are made when blank bounces back. And the answer is sound. Are we good, class? Alright. Alright, and now let's proceed to activity 3. Hear the direction. Analyze the question and answer 1 to 2 sentences. Think and answer. And hear the questions.
Question number 1. Why do we need light? The possible answer is, we need light so we can see things around us. Light also helps plants grow and keep us safe in the dark. Question number 2. Give one example of sound you hear every day. The possible answer is, one example of sound I hear every day is the ringing of an alarm clock. It wakes me up in the morning. For the last question, how does the sun give us heat? The possible answer is, the sun gives us heat through its rays. These rays warm the earth and help living things survive. Did you understand, class?
I hope you
Light, sound, and heat travel in different ways and help us in our everyday lives. Light travels in straight lines and allows us to see the things around us clearly. Sound travels through vibrations and help people communicate with one another. Heat travels from hot objects to cold objects through conduction, convection, and radiation. Learning about these forms of energy helps students become more curious, observant, and responsible using them safely. This lesson also teaches the values of cooperation, appreciation of science, and caring for others by using energy wisely. I hope you learned something today, dear learners. Thank you for listening.